Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for everyday living. Today, we're talking about the best laundry concentrate bar, the Tangie Laundry Soap Washing Detergent Bar. This revolutionary laundry solution is not only effective but also eco-friendly, and it's here to change the way we do laundry. First, let's talk about the ease of use. The Tangie Laundry Soap is in bar form, making it super simple to use. All you have to do is dissolve the bar in water to create your liquid laundry detergent. No mixing, no mess. Just drop the bar in your container of choice and let it dissolve overnight. You can dissolve the whole bar to make a gallon of detergent or adjust the amount depending on your needs. You can even cut the bar into smaller pieces for convenience. One of the standout features of this product is its value. One bar makes a gallon of detergent, which can last for 128 to 256 loads depending on the size of your laundry. This means you can clean loads and loads of laundry without worrying about constantly buying more detergent. Plus, there's no plastic waste because you can refill your container with each new bar, helping you reduce your environmental impact. It's suitable for all types of washing machines, including high-efficiency ones, and it works great on both small and large loads. But it's not just about being practical. Tangie Laundry Soap is also safe for your family and the environment. Made from natural plant-based ingredients like coconut oil, olive oil, and soap nuts, this detergent is free from synthetic chemicals and harsh sulfates found in most conventional detergents. It's tough on dirt and stains but gentle enough for sensitive skin. Plus, with no added fragrances, your clothes will smell fresh and clean without any overpowering scents. It's safe for baby clothes, military uniforms, and even smelly pet bedding. Another huge advantage is its long shelf life. As a solid bar, it can last for more than 2 years without losing its cleaning power. And when you dissolve it, it can last up to 6 months as a liquid, giving you plenty of time to use it without worrying about expiration. The compact size of the bar is another bonus. It's as small as a deck of cards, so it takes up almost no storage space. Imagine storing a gallon of detergent in the space of a small box. That's what Tangie offers. Finally, Tangie offers a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, so if you're not completely happy with the product, you can return it with no questions asked. Tangie's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction makes it a standout in the eco-friendly detergent space. In conclusion, the Tangie Laundry Soap Washing Detergent Bar is a game-changer. It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and easy to use. It's safe for the entire family, including your little ones and pets, and it's a sustainable choice for anyone looking to reduce plastic waste. So, if you want to make a smart switch in your laundry routine, Tangie is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that improve your everyday life.